A gentle answer quiets anger, but a harsh one stirs it up. When wise people speak, they make knowledge attractive, but stupid people spout nonsense. The Lord sees what happens everywhere. He is watching us whether we do good or evil. Kind words bring life, but cruel words crush your spirit. It is foolish to ignore what your parents taught you. It is wise to accept their correction. Righteous people keep their wealth, but the weak lose their when hard times come. Knowledge is spread by people who are wise, not by fools. The Lord is pleased when good people pray, but hates the sacrifices that the weak bring him. The Lord hates the ways of evil people, but loves those who do what is right. If you do what is wrong, you will be severely punished. You will die if you do not let yourself be corrected. Not even the word of the dead can keep the Lord from knowing what is there. How then can we hide our thoughts from God? Conceited people do not like to be corrected. They never ask for advice for those who are wiser. When people are happy, they smile, but when they are sad, they look depressed. Intelligent people want to be learned, but stupid people are satisfied with ignorance. The life of the poor is a constant struggle, but happy people always enjoy life. Better to be poor and fear the Lord than to be rich and in trouble. Better to eat vegetables with people you love than to eat the finest meat where there is hate. Hot tempers cause arguments, but patience brings peace. If you are lazy, you will meet difficulty everywhere, but if you are honest, you will have no trouble. Wise children make their fathers happy. Only fools despise their mothers. Stupid people are happy with their foolishness, but the wise will do what is right. Get all the advice you can, and you will succeed. Without it, you will fail. What a joy is to find just the right word for the right occasion. Wise people walk the road that leads upward to life, not the road that leads downwards to death. The Lord will destroy the homes of arrogant men, but he will protect a widow's property. The Lord hates evil thoughts, but he is pleased with friendly words. Try to make a profit dishonestly, and you get your family in trouble. Don't take bribes, and you will live longer. Good people think before they answer. Evil people have a quick reply, but it causes trouble. When good people pray, the Lord listens, but he ignores those who are evil. Smiling faces make you happy, and good news makes you feel better. If you pay attention when you are corrected, you are wise. If you refuse to learn, you are hurting yourself. If you accept correction, you will become wiser. Reverence for the Lord is an education in itself. You must be humble before you can ever receive honors.